Samsung Flip is a powerful and intuitive digital flip chart designed for collaboration. The latest version features a bigger 65-inch screen and several new features, allowing teams to work smarter. The newest version of the Flip retains all the useful features of pen mode, including a smooth pen-to-paper-like writing experience with any object, simple finger or palm swipe erasing, and multi-user functionality up to 4 users. Samsung Flip also recognizes an object's thickness. To start brush mode annotation, simply press brush mode. You can freely move the color palette, then select oil or watercolors. Select your favorite colors, draw, and mix them any way you like. You can easily create artwork with the stroke of a brush. To open files from USB on Samsung Flip, simply press the Import button, click USB, and select the files. By pressing the Merge to Roll button, you can add the image to a roll. You can erase and edit the image on the screen. You can also write on or next to the image. Select an area, crop the image, move, and resize it the way you like. After editing, you can select the location of the final result and capture it. To scroll through pages, simply swipe the screen. Samsung Flip allows users to safeguard confidential meeting information with a password. To unlock secure content, simply select it and re-enter the password. When starting a meeting, you can easily pull out your file from a USB drive. By selecting the Note Layer button, you can turn on the new Annotation On feature and write on any background source without affecting any work behind. You can also write on files from other sources, including a laptop. To open files from your laptop, select PC from Import menu, then select the right HDMI connection. Now you can open any file from your laptop and control your laptop from the display. To view the document on full screen mode, simply select the full screen icon. You can connect your laptop and Samsung Flip through HDMI and project your laptop to the Samsung Flip instantly. With the USB to touch out connection, you can also control a laptop from the Flip. Using the HDMI out connection, the Flip can also be mirrored on another large display through Screen Share. You can mirror laptop screen or flip screen depending on your need. To end screen sharing, just press the disconnect button. Bringing together intuitive operation and powerful features with versatile connectivity, Samsung Flip is the perfect collaboration solution for everything from large corporations to small businesses, educators, and more.